Good morning, Eastview. Happy Friday to you. I hope you're having a great day. This Mr. Golias here. A couple quick things. So today we'll do our research. One research fact that you paraphrase means put in your own words per landmark. And then you're also putting into the Street View why you picked that landmark. So those are the two main things you're doing for your three different main landmarks. Our screencast, we don't do those until Monday, and we are using Flipgrid. So I've had some weird questions where people clearly aren't watching the video. So screencasts are Monday, and that's all we're doing on Monday. The big thing is making those. Make sure you are watching the tutorials. In particular, the three things I would be watching, these are both only 3-minute tutorials here in Google Earth. And then the sample tour that I made should also help you out as well. I do realize Google Earth can be a little glitchy, so you're going to have to do the best you can with it. And by glitchy, I mean it will work, it just takes time. Lastly, to get a street view, remember you just click on the character guy over here, and then you just drag them over. You can see the areas here where there's some pictures, so I can drag and drop, and then it'll bring me in, and there we are. So that's how you do those as well. So great job so far. I can't wait to see these tours, and we'll do our Flipgrid screencasts on Friday. On Monday. Have a great weekend.